Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my channel. I'm also new to YouTube and I'm not a content creator. I just want to roughly give an idea of what are the products I'm using and how it is giving the result for me. Basically, I have started this video to show my hair care journey. I have started newly because my hair is very dry and it is very thin. I have tried so many products and it has never worked me. So that's why I started thinking of sharing with all the products which I came across in my life and what are the products I'm going to start using newly. Along with that, I thought, why can't we start with a body care and face care also? So that also I'm going to make a video. This will be a rough video of what are the products I'm going to use now, and let's see what is the result. So initially, so this is my hand looks. I will be starting with weight gain journey also. You can stay like along with me. Let's see. So this is the first time I have shaved my hands as well. Okay, if you could see, I thought let's do this body scrub, and this is not the sponsored one. So before that, I see many people used to say like we have to shave our body. I see many YouTubers are saying that, so I just tried. I don't know, is there any result? You could see here I have shaved. This is the non-shaved one, but I don't know why I did this, because already I'm having only less amount of hair, but I really just wanted to do this. So let me know if you could see any difference. And I just used a normal razor, and these are some results I got while shaving my hands, because this is the first time two to three places I got, but after washing with water it went. So yeah, so and this is the product. After reviewing so many YouTubers video, I got this, and this is not the sponsored one. I'm just now going to open this product as well. For hair also, whatever products I bought newly, I uploaded a video already. Likewise, I bought this for my body because I'm planning to bring a change before this new year. Okay. Oh, it is very less than I expected. We should see the dates are there. This is body butter. Okay, this is okay, body scrub. And what is this? Body wash. Okay, glowing sun. I think, okay, these are the three things we got from them. As per the instruction, we have to use the body wash first in the wet body. Let's try it out in the hands first, which I shaved. Okay, before trying any product, please make sure you are checking the manufacturing date. This one I bought from Myntra as well. Actually, hair care products also bought from Myntra. Whenever I bought any product, buy any product, I just see the price wherever it is less. I used to buy. That's why I'm saying Myntra, not promoting it. I'm not able to open this. Let's try this one first. I feel before opening this product, my body will become again dry. I have to wet it again. Okay, finally we opened. Okay, it is wet only, I guess. Let's start. I will make it somewhat wet. I will just make it sure how much we have to use. This is the first time I'm using all such kind of products, so I'm not an expertise in this. I'm just bought this product, and this is for newbies who are starting just like me. So take a coin-sized amount of body, gently rub and rather rinse off with the water, low dry up, follow with the application of the body wash. Okay, we can coin size. Okay, this would be enough, no? Oh, nice. Just applying it. Hope it is covering the video. Okay, wherever I got the scratch, it is hurting me now. Still okay, I will apply. It's very smooth, I guess. This is how we have to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how. I think I have applied enough, so we just need to apply it likewise, and we have to wash it off. Let me wash it off now. Okay, so I have washed my hands. I don't know if I feel any difference or not. Let's complete the other steps also, then we will get to know. For this also, I'm taking this is the next step, right? See, body scrub we have to use on the wet body and rinse it off with the warm water. Okay, this is very much less quantity, I guess. 2 to 3 times we can use it. Okay, the smell is very good actually. Experience date is there. sorry, expiry date. And yeah, nothing else. We'll shake it off. Let's open. Wow, the packaging is very nice. We can reuse this bottle for our own coffee scrub, I guess. It's already become like this. I'm just going to use only this much, and let's see. Okay, I should have not done this. I don't know how I'm going to update this. Okay, here. Wow, you have to scrub it, no? Okay, be careful while you are shaving your hands. Scrub it. I don't know whether I'm scrubbing it correctly or not as well. Let's try. I guess I have like scrubbed it. This is enough, right? Like 10 times I have did like this. Fine, I guess. Now they have mentioned to wash it with lukewarm water, but I'm little bit lazy. I'm sorry. I'll wash it with the cold water only, and I will see the result. So yeah, we are done with the second step as well. I don't know whether it will show any results in the skin, but I felt very soft while washing my hand. Let's pat dry it and let's see. Yeah, we are done with the second step. Can you people see any difference here? So this is my another hand, and one major difference, as I said, I haven't shaved here. That could be one difference. Apart from that, in here, if we could feel any difference, don't see any major difference to be frank, but a little bit of difference in the finger. Can you people let me know if you see any difference? This is where we have used the body scrub. This is the another hand. So yeah. Let's go for the third step as well, and body butter. I guess I have to do for the another hand on separate day if it is giving any result, because one hand will look odd. 2023 24 month. This we have to simply apply and wait until it gets more absorbed, I guess. Okay, the packagings are very good in mcaffine, I feel. Oh my gosh. Okay, the smell is very good as well. So yeah, a little bit thick, I guess so. Okay, let's apply and see. Gives me some creamy vibe. I took a lot, or I don't know, like white patch. I should have taken a little only, I guess, or in the dry hair. I pat dry my hand. Okay, still let's see how it's going to work. So yeah, I have applied. My hand looks soft only. To be frank, I don't feel that much difference very immediately. But I guess if we use it, it will like once or twice a week, it might give us some results. So this is the first time I'm using it. You can also try for it, I guess so, because it is coming up with some body lotion, this and this. So yeah, so this is my body care. Soon I will show my face care, and as well as the hair care I have posted already. And people who have started trying this, let me know if I have used it in some way like wrongly. I should massage like this, that. If there are any comments, please let me know. Apart from this, if you have like a brown skin like me and you saw some results using some any other product, please let me know in the comment. Let's all go towards the 2025 with a big bang. Okay, bye bye.